H2O2 Multi-Surface Concentrate with H2O2 represents a breakthrough in cleaning performance with environmental responsibility. The biodegradable surfactants emulsify and suspend soils. The citrus solvents penetrate grease and grime, and the peroxide deodorizes and safely bleaches surfaces. The neutral in-use dilution is free rinsing and cleans water washable surfaces with the power of hydrogen peroxide. Clean glass and mirrors, countertops, floors, carpet stains, grout lines, restroom surfaces, along with countless other surfaces streak-free.